Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my natural body mist. My inspiration is from Bath and Body Works fragrance mist sprays. I love their products, but sometimes I find it a little bit too harsh on my skin because of the alcohol. With this natural body mist, you're going to find this mild and gentle on your skin, and you're also going to smell amazing. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to get started by weighing out my ingredients, and everything I used in this recipe will be listed in the description box. So I'm going to weigh out my distilled water. Next, I'm adding some vegetable glycerin. This is going to make your body mist even more moisturizing for your skin. I'm going to be using some witch hazel hydrosol in this recipe. If you don't want to use this, you can use rose hydrosol, lavender hydrosol, or cucumber hydrosol. Any moisturizing hydrosol would be perfect in this recipe. Next is DL-panthenol. This is a form of vitamin B5 and it's going to provide extra moisturizing benefits for your skin as well. I love this ingredient. If you don't have this available, then that's fine. The vegetable glycerin is also sufficient. I'm using an essential oil blend of lavender and neroli. Both of them combined together smell so good. So because oils and water do not mix, I'm going to need a solubilizer to get the oils to blend into my water mix. So in this recipe, I'm using a natural solubilizer. It's Polysugar D9. There are so many other options online, but this is a natural solubilizer. You can also use Polysorbate 20 if you don't have this one available. So I'm going to add that in. I went ahead and checked the pH. It was 4.6. I didn't need to do anything else since it was within the skin's pH range. And then I added my preservative. I'm using Optifen as my preservative. Of course, you can use any broad spectrum preservative that you like. And the natural body mist spray is ready. This smells so amazing. I'm just going to package this up next. This recipe made 5 ounces. Shelf life is 6 to 9 months. You can use this right after a shower or bath. Just spray yourself and then apply your moisturizer. You can use a body butter. You can use a regular moisturizer, and it just makes you smell so good. So I hope you found this recipe helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.